Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, you saw from the pictures and video from Chinooka out in Bend, it is very smoky, kind of a hazy afternoon. Our own weather intern Emily Kirk, who also lives out in Bend, had been sending us some pictures. I'll make sure I'll put those up on our Facebook page as well. So this is going to be the difficulty for folks out in Deschutes County, Central Oregon over the next couple of days. We'll continue to see a pretty steady northwest wind with the jet stream pointed sort of right at us here. So this is kind of the direction the winds are going to be moving in from. And as I mentioned earlier, they will be gusting above 25, 30 miles an hour as well. And so that is going to put all of that smoke moving down in towards south and eastern sections of Deschutes County and even kind of working its way over across some of the central part of the state as well. Now, there has been some folks, I saw a report earlier this evening up towards the Gresham area that they could see some of the smoke as well. We'll have to see as that smoke continues to rise, get caught up in some of the mid-level winds. It can kind of just go all over the place. So we'll have to watch very carefully to see where exactly that does try to settle. 60 right now in Eugene. We are under clear skies, light and east-northeast winds around 6 miles an hour, humidity at about 80%. That means it's pretty soupy outside with the air temperature at 60. Dew points are generally in the mid to low 50s. That's kind of a muggy air mass for here in the northwest. 81 the high today. That is well above the average of 71 that we should be. Hit the morning low on the button this morning. It continues to stay dry. Very, very dry conditions, not only here, but across the entire state. 90 down in Medford, a big scorcher for folks down in the Rogue Valley as well. 89 in Brookings, 86 as you get to Roseburg, and then hopscotch over onto the coast. Look how much cooler it was. Low 60s in North Bend, upper 50s up towards Newport, where they've been holding it around 54 here for a couple of hours. 59 as you get to Corval, still in the 70s down to Roseburg, upper 50s in Bend, and Sun River at 55. So there's that morning cloud cover just kind of hugging its way along the coast as we go in through the morning. Might get a little bit as you get south into the bottom of the Umpqua Basin there. Otherwise, it'll be back to mostly sunny skies by the afternoon. A little bit of cumulus buildup, but still the winds generally coming out of the north and northwest that is going to move that smoke down towards Bend and likely continue to stay very dry over the next couple of days. Overnight tonight, we'll keep temperatures in the mid-50s, Roseburg and Coos Bay, down into the low 50s for us here in the valley. A little weak front that will be sliding through tonight and tomorrow. Don't expect any changes from that, but we're starting to see developments back off to the west of us here, and the high flattens out. These will start to roll over top, and we'll get the tail end of those fronts moving through by about Thursday and Friday. We're not talking about big gully washers here, kind of get everything out of the way, pollen, dust, whatnot, but at least maybe give us a little bit of chance to pull those allergy levels down. So we'll go partly sunny, breezy at the coast tomorrow, a little warmer as you get to Coos Bay. Everybody else should sit right around 60 degrees. In the Umpqua, a tad cooler tomorrow. Upper 70s in Elkton will get to around 80 down towards Roseburg. Cascades looking good as well. Temperatures will be in the mid-60s. Sunny, warm forecasts out into Central Oregon. And that's not what the fire crews need. And in fact, those winds will be out of the northwest around 10 to 20 miles an hour for tomorrow afternoon. Sunny and breezy for us here in the valley. A good start to our work week. And then, ooh, look at that. Actually, I got some showers on the 7th day there, Jess. Haven't done that in a couple days or weeks for that matter. See, the temperatures hold in the low 60s all the way through the weekend. The Umpqua will be 80 tomorrow, slowly backing off to the low 70s. I don't think the rain will make it that far south. Cascades will see some light showers Thursday night into Friday. Not expecting any thunderstorm development with this yet, so I don't think we'll have to worry about lightning strikes. We'll watch that, though, if that changes, and then upper 60s will feel very refreshing as opposed to the low 80s and just it's everywhere. I looked at everybody's car out in the parking lot. You know, I drive a green one, so it's green. Everybody else that has a black one is green.
Yeah, it's just that dusting. You can just go like this and
yeah,
need a little wash. So
quite.
All right, thanks, Justin.
You bet.